Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your go-to channel for in-depth product analyses and reviews. Today, we're diving into the iClever BK06 Foldable Bluetooth keyboard, a versatile companion for your mobile devices. Let's get started. Hey everyone, it's your host here from UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we're taking a closer look at the iClever BK06 Foldable Bluetooth keyboard. This compact and sleek keyboard is designed to enhance your typing experience across various devices. First off, let's talk about design. The iClever BK06 features a foldable design, making it incredibly portable and convenient for on-the-go use. Whether you're typing on your iPhone, iPad, Android device, or even your laptop, this keyboard has got you covered. One thing I appreciate about this keyboard is its ergonomic design. The keys are full-sized with a U-shaped frosting surface, providing a comfortable typing experience even during extended use. Plus, the 166-degree angle design ensures optimal typing posture, reducing strain on your wrists. Now, let's talk about connectivity. The iClever BK06 utilizes an imported Broadcom Bluetooth chip, ensuring fast and stable connections with your devices. Whether you're using iOS, Android, or Windows, this keyboard seamlessly pairs with all Bluetooth-supported devices. Battery life is always a concern with wireless devices, but fear not. The built-in rechargeable battery. The iClever BK06 provides up to 40 hours of continuous usage on a single charge, with a standby time of up to 30 days. Plus, it comes with a soft PU leather case for added protection and portability. Another standout feature of this keyboard is its broad compatibility. It works flawlessly with a wide range of devices, including iPhones, iPads, Android smartphones, and tablets, as well as laptops and computers running Windows or Mac OS. No need to worry about compatibility issues here. To wrap it up, the iClever BK06 Foldable Bluetooth keyboard offers a fantastic typing experience in a compact and portable package. With its ergonomic design, fast Bluetooth connectivity, long battery life, and wide device compatibility, it's truly a must-have accessory for anyone on the move. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.